Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You have the tool and a clean surface. Start now. Position the watch face down on the cloth so lugs are accessible, and identify whether the strap uses a quick-release lever or a spring bar. If it's a quick release, slide the tiny lever toward the strap to free the pin. If it's a spring bar, insert the forked tip into the small gap and compress the bar inward. Keep your thumb behind the lug to catch the bar. This prevents drops and lost parts. Once the bar is engaged with your tool, maintain a slight 30 degrees angle. This gives clearance to slide the pin out without bending it. Apply steady, small motions rather than force. Mesh straps can snag if pulled abruptly. If you're using a quick-release mesh, hold the lever depressed and pull the mesh straight out to avoid catching the weave. Make sure to rotate the strap slightly as it clears the lug so you don't scratch the case. Place removed pins immediately in your tray. After removal, clean the lug grooves and examine the spring bars for wear. Replacing bent bars prevents future loss. If you're installing a new strap, align the bar and compress it fully before seating into the notch so it clicks securely. If the bar or quick release feels stuck, apply a tiny drop of penetrating oil, wait 2 to 3 minutes, then retry. This loosens corrosion without damaging the mesh. Finally, always test the reattached strap.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.